Good morning, everyone, and I am Rochelle Swan from BS Ed 2B, and we are now in the third different form of feedback, which is the focus on the strategy to improve the work, which means a strategy referring to the different cognitive and metacognitive actions that the learner needs to think about in order to arrive at a better work or performance. So, in this strategy, instead of just looking at the final grade, a student focuses on how they actually learn and solve problems, which involves picking specific tools like outlining a draft or double checking your logics to make a next attempt stronger. Like, for example, um, imagine a student who receives a low grade on his or her research paper. Instead of just feeling discouraged, they look at their strategy. So they realized that they didn't use an outline which made their argument messy. And to improve their paper, they decided to use a reverse outline on their next draft to make and ensure every paragraph supports their main point. So that is their own way of strategy, the reverse outline. The learner takes active control over the progress rather than just repeating the same habits. So now, let's move further into the more examples of metacognitive strategies in action. They shift the focus from am I finished to how did I do and how can I do it better. So first example is we have here, given the criteria on delivering a speech, which part did you achieve well and provide evidence. In this part, instead of guessing if you did a good job, you used a rubric or criteria as a map or for your guidance. An evidence means you can't just say a word that you already did good thing, but you have to point out a specific grade or rating on yourself. Now, the second one is use a different method to check if your answers are correct. So in this one, it is like stopping you to repeat the same path and try a new one to catch, like the blind errors or spots. Like, for example, if you solve a math problem using a formula, then you tried it solving by drawing a diagram. Or if you wrote an essay, you tried to read it out loud to hear the mistakes your eyes missed. So it's like another way for you to recognize the mistakes. Now, the third and last one is compare your work with the model. Which parts are different? How can you improve these parts for their means? And in this part, you are looking at the example or the given example while you spot the difference with your own work. It's not about feeling bad about yours or your work that yours is different. It's about identifying the specific gap in your skill, like seeing that the model uses stronger transition words than you did. So you saw your own work in some way, but it is a different strategy that is made on your own.